Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Tacoma maintenance light step by step. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then toggle the odometer display to trip A. Press and hold the odometer reset button firmly until the maintenance light blinks and turns off, then release. Cycle the ignition off and on to confirm the light stays off, and your reset is complete. Before we begin, make sure the truck is parked, the parking brake is engaged, and you have time for a few simple steps. This reset needs no special tools and takes just a couple minutes. If you prefer, keep the owner manual nearby for any model-specific reminders. I'll walk you through each button press and timing so you can complete the reset confidently and get back on the road. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful car tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for shop lunches. They make prep simple and keep oil off your seats. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you like them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the ignition on and trip displayed, press and hold the odometer reset button firmly. Watch the maintenance light. When it blinks or resets, release the button. Turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, then start the vehicle to verify the indicator stays off. If the light returns, repeat the sequence carefully and consult the owner manual if needed. This method covers standard Tacoma maintenance light resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.